What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Brigit app. Brigit is a financial services company that offers cash advances, credit building, and budgeting tools to help you manage your finances effectively. With no credit check, late fees, or tipping required, Brigit provides a secure and convenient way to take control of your financial future. Now, let's talk about some of its benefits and features. Instant cash advances. Brigit's Instant Cash Advances provides users with a quick and convenient way to cover unexpected expenses or bills. One of the key benefits of this feature is that it does not require a credit check or charge late fees. Users can get approved for an advance in just minutes, making it an ideal solution for those who need immediate financial assistance. Additionally, Brigit offers express delivery for a small fee, allowing users to receive their cash advance even faster. The flexible repayment terms also provide users with the ability to choose their own repayment date and receive free extensions if more time is needed to pay back the advance. This feature has received high user ratings with a 4.7 rating on App Store and Google Play and over 462,000 reviews. Credit building. Brigit's Credit Builder program is designed to help users build credit without the need for a credit check or upfront fees. The program is easy to sign up for with instant approval available. Once enrolled, users can choose how much to save each month with the ability to withdraw their savings at any time. The automated credit reporting feature ensures that the user's monthly savings are reported as on-time payments to the three major credit card bureaus, helping to build positive payment history. There are no interest charges, upfront fees, or deposits required to participate in the Credit Builder program. This feature has been successful in helping users improve their credit scores. Financial insights and budgeting tools. Brigit's free finance helper tools provide users with detailed insights into their spending, earnings, and upcoming bills. The app breaks down a user's spending by category, helping them understand where their money is going. It also notifies users about upcoming bills and when they are due, ensuring that they stay on top of their finances. Additionally, the app compares a user's spending to their earnings, providing a clear picture of their financial situation. Users have reported that these financial insights have helped them better budget, save money, and avoid overdrafts. The Finance Helper tools are available as part of Brigit's free plan with no additional setup required beyond linking a bank account. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Brigit's paid plans, particularly the Plus plan, can be expensive. The plan costs $9.99 per month, which may be a significant burden for users who are already struggling financially. Additionally, the company's practice of automatically renewing memberships and debiting the fee from users' bank accounts without explicit consent has been criticized by the Federal Trade Commission. Brigit's cash advance limits are relatively low, with most users only eligible for $50 to $100 in advances. This can be a significant drawback for users who need larger amounts of cash to cover unexpected expenses or financial emergencies. In comparison, some competitors like Earnin offer up to $500 in cash advances per pay period. Brigit's eligibility requirements can be quite steep, particularly for users who are part-time or minimum wage workers. To qualify for a cash advance, users must have a bank account in good standing, deposits totaling at least $1,500 per month, and deposits of at least $400 each. This can make it difficult for users who do not meet these criteria to access the app's services. In conclusion, Brigit is a comprehensive financial services app that offers instant cash advances, credit building, and budgeting tools to help you manage your finances effectively. With its user-friendly interface and innovative features, Brigit is an excellent choice for anyone looking to take control of their financial future. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.